I look cute, don't? So we are going to Kingston Kitchen. We're late. It is now like 5 minutes to 6. I'm not going to lie, it's minutes to 6. We're ready to get some good food in our tummies, and we're just ready to have a great time. We have the vibe. Our friend's supposed to meet us. Hopefully the line is not long and we can get food and we can get in and we can get all them things there. I'm excited, like really excited.
Don't know how it's 5 a.m. again. One too many episodes of Friends.
Alright, put it this way, if the guys are paying, it is not true, no problem. Am I correct? If the guys are paying, it's true.
It makes me sick, I can't seem to quit the adrenaline. Wasting my youth in, pressing the snooze when the sun's still in view thin. Why do this? I'm being stupid, testing my limits.
Good enough friends to take me out. Please don't post it.
How's it so far? It's nice.
I feel like I have 2 children. My wife is behind the camera. And the family bandwagon is out there in the VIP section with the stroller. This is quite a family affair, if I'm not mistaken. I was looking for the golf course right about now. So we can go ahead and stack some golf and yes, drink some nice scotch.
You want some food?
Dead